In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see all saved passwords on Google Chrome. Viewing saved passwords on Google Chrome on an iPhone is crucial for recovering forgotten login credentials without needing to reset them. It also ensures convenient access to passwords across different devices, enabling seamless transitions between platforms. To do this, simply head to your Google Chrome. On your home page, tap onto your profile icon to head to Settings. On your Settings page, select onto this option of Password Manager. Since it's sensitive information, a Face ID will automatically be enabled. This is a security layer to avoid everyone not to have access to your saved passwords. All your saved passwords will show up right here. To add other passwords, just tap right here on Add. This feature enhances security by allowing users to verify and manage stored passwords, ensuring they are up to date and unique for each account. That's how easy it is to see all saved passwords on Google Chrome. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.